Okay everyone, so the first line of the song goes like this. So it starts on 6th fret of first string, slide down to 8, 6, 8, 11, 10 and slide up to 8. Then again from 8 slide down to 10, 10 and slide back to 8, 6, 8, 6, 8, 11, 10 and slide back to 8. So what the playing for this line is right. I hope you got that. Now the next line goes like this. So it starts with 2 strokes on 8th fret of first string, slide down to 10, again 8 and slide to 6, 6, 5, 6, 10, again 8 and slide to 6, 6, 4, 6, 3. So what I'm playing for this line is right. I hope you got that. Now you have to play both these parts one more time. So let's play it together also one more time. Okay. For any doubts, you can always refer the written tabs. The link is in description box down below. Now let's move to the next line. Next line goes like this. Starts with a stroke on 8th fret of first string, 10, 2 strokes on 11 and slide down to 13. Then pull it off on 11th fret without giving a stroke, 15, 13. What I'm playing for this line is right. I hope you got that. Now let's move to the next line. So give a stroke on 6th fret of first string, 8, 2 strokes on 10 and slide down to 11. Without giving a stroke, pull it off on 10th fret. Again give a stroke on 10, then 13, 11. So what I'm doing for this line is next line. Basically the same pattern is being played, only the frets are shifted. So now the third line starts from 4th fret of first string, 6, 2 strokes on 8 and slide down to 10. Then without giving a stroke, pull it off on 8. Another stroke on 8, 11, 10, like this. Now let's join these 3 lines. Right, I hope you got that. We have completed till here. Now the next line goes like this. So give 3 strokes on 8th fret of first string, then hammer on pull off on 10th fret like this. then a stroke on 7th fret, like this. Okay, moving forward, next line goes like this. Okay, give a stroke on 6th fret of first fret, 6th fret of first string, 4, 8, 6, then 3 strokes on 4th fret, hammer on pull off on 6, then 3, like this. Right, I hope you got that. Now, as I said, for any doubts, you can always refer the written tabs. Link is in the description box down below. Now, let's play the whole song together very slow one more time. Right, I guess that's it for the tutorial of Khairiyat from the movie Chhichhore. I hope this video was helpful in learning the tabs for that song. For any doubts, request get in touch with me on Instagram. My Insta ID is right over here. And please don't forget to drop a like for this video, guys. And please also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Right, thanks for watching.